My OEM Cybertruck tires made it to exactly 30,000 miles, and now it's time to replace them with something better. I recently made the switch to BFGoodrich KO3s, a more capable tire that offers significantly improved off-road durability and a more aggressive look that does come at a cost of reduced efficiency and a bit more road noise. The OEM Goodyear Wrangler Territory RTs, which have been recently discontinued, weren't a bad tire, however. The KO3s offer better grip, more confident steering, a smoother ride over rough roads, and less worry about terrain or weather. The KO3s are the next evolution of the legendary KO2s, designed for better tread life, improved wet traction, and stronger sidewalls. Basically, they are a tire that can handle daily driving and whatever else you throw at it. So how much do these KO3s cost? Well, the tire themselves were $1,908 for a set of 4, with total cost being $2,395 after all the extra fees, warranties, and such. So, how do they drive? Initial impressions are impressive. Either that or I'm not used to having my grip from a new set of tires. Either way, they feel amazing. Acceleration from highway speeds are instant, stopping distance is greatly improved, and they have that aggressive look popular amongst truck owners. Now, let's talk about some of the negatives. One being the range loss with these tires. It's not terrible, however. You do notice it, and this is due to factors such as the added weight, increased rolling resistance with the aggressive tread pattern. Also, keep in mind that I have yet to take these new tires on a road trip to really see the difference, but I can tell you that just driving around on the freeway, you do notice your battery percentage dropping faster than usual, and that's definitely one of the trade-offs when using non-OEM tires on electric vehicles because they are so efficient from the factory. Now, I did stay with the OEM spec of 285, 65, 20, so that helps minimize more range loss. So what do you think? Are the KO3s an appropriate replacement for the factory tires?